What's up, everybody? I feel like it's time for some bass. I'm fiending for that bass, bro. As we all know, check that out. There ain't no space in a single cab. My neighbor gave me this dope-ass box, but I don't want to buy no subs for it because I already had one this size, well, a 12-inch in this size, and it sounds like crap. See, this is the diameter that I had. It's pretty thin, but it fits literally a 12-inch right there. And I hooked it up with a pretty good size amp, and it didn't work out. It sounds like it needs more space, you know? Like, come on, I need this subwoofer to breathe, people. You know, it's junk. So I present to you the real box. This is the breather box. Oh yeah, not no scrawny ass little box like that. You're gonna have so much room to breathe, little girl. Or should I say big boy? Yep, little girl's right here. The little scrawny box. We don't want you no more. You guys are probably wondering, well, how are you gonna fit this in there, bro? You have a single cab. Well, this is the no F's given right here. I'll show you how. Well, first, we gotta take out this box. And apparently, I'm magical, because I can just take it out like this. Whoa, where'd it go? I don't see it anymore. Whoa, oh my God, I gotta find it now. Oh. Now we got that done, so apparently, now I gotta do something else to get it in here. So I'm just gonna put it in the front seat. Nope. I'm gonna take off this center console and I'm just gonna cross my fingers. It fits, just like that. Easy. Haven't even measured it or nothing. I'm good. If it don't fit, then probably just toss it out the window. I know my girl's gonna be like, bruh, why you doing that? Bruh, you're ruining it. Bruh, I know. I'm honestly just doing this because I'm feeling for that bass, you know? I'm a bass freak. Oh. Check it out, guys. This thing is pretty nice. Dang. But I don't think it can overcome this beast right here. Look at all this nice box, and it's gonna be right in my ear. I'm having a little problem here, so I have to cut off this bolt right here, cause I don't know how to take this off and it won't unscrew. There's another one in there wedged in there pretty good. I'm on my way right now to get an angle grinder because that's gonna be a pain in the ass. Gotta give it a deep clean. So I just took out the center console right here, and guess what? It looks super weird. Check that out. So much space now. Look at this carpet. That's the original, boys. Well, we'll see what's next. I just vacuumed it a little bit. Not too good. Obviously, I'm just trying to vacuum where they're gonna go. Okay, so what I'm gonna be using to power these both subwoofers up, or one, I'm gonna see if they both fit in here. If they don't, then just one is this 1,000-watt Pioneer amplifier. So that's Pioneer, and then that's Pioneer right there. So perfect. All right, so now I'm installing the ground right here. Make sure it goes all the way in. Here's all the juice. This one, we got the remote right here. Let's slip this underneath. I feel like it fits. All right, guys, let's see if it turns on. Where's that light? Oh, yeah, buddy. It's on. All right. It is time for the beast. Let's go. Let's see if it even fits. I think it will. It's a little snug. Well, that looks pretty cool right there. Big old box. I see I could even tuck it like this all the way in. that's gonna leave an awkward space right here. So I don't know if I should. What do you guys think? It should go up or forward? I don't know. Well, check it out, guys. There's one right there. And guess what? We still got room for another one right here, cut. I'm sending it. 2 12s in a single cab. Yeah, buddy. Let me go get the other one, guys. Boom. Here it is. Let's see how this fits right here. Oh, that's a snug fit. That's a snug fit. Ah. Dang. Check that out. Alright, it's time to play 'em, boys. Let's get it. So, let me look for a song and let's get to playing this beast, man. Look at these bad boys right here. Dang. I got these from Best Buy like 2 years ago, just in case you're wondering too. Alright guys, so I'm trying to find no copyright music. So, unfortunately I can't bump some dope songs, but I'm gonna try to just show you guys a demonstration right here with the no copyright. Alright, so I found a no copyright song right there. I'm gonna have that play. Put it to 38, to 40, it goes all the way to 40, 50, but I'm gonna leave it at 44. Alrighty guys, so that was it. I know you guys can't really hear it on camera, but it sounds real loud. You know, 2 12s. I might get another bigger amp so we can push them even harder, you know. But thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like if you liked it and subscribe.